Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good in turf cricket. First, let's talk about your stance. A good, balanced stance is fundamental for all shots. Ensure your head remains still and your eyes are level with the ball. Keep a slight bend in your knees. This allows for quick movement and helps maintain your balance throughout the shot. This foundation is key to consistent performance. Next, let's refine your batting techniques. Always aim to play with a straight bat, whether you're defending or looking to score. Timing is far more crucial than brute force on turf wickets, so concentrate on meeting the ball precisely. Excellent footwork is also vital. Move your feet quickly to get to the pitch of the ball, allowing you to play it under your eyes. Now, let's consider bowling and fielding. For bowlers, consistency in line and length is paramount to building pressure. Don't be afraid to vary your pace and delivery. This keeps batsmen guessing and can lead to wickets. In the field, always stay alert and anticipate where the ball might go. Quick reactions and good positioning can save many runs and create chances. Finally, your mindset and practice routine are critical. Approach every game with a positive and confident attitude. Belief in your abilities makes a huge difference. Consistent practice is essential to refine your skills and technique across all aspects of the game. Always take time to analyze your performance after each match, learning from experiences to continuously adapt and improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.